Welcome to this video on creating real business value with AI and machine learning. We will explore a practical framework designed for leaders at any scale, focusing on patterns that consistently deliver return on investment, without the need for hype or massive moonshot projects. This is AI for Executives, brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI.
You do not need a billion-dollar budget to succeed with AI. Companies of all sizes can achieve measurable outcomes by applying clarity, focus, and practical frameworks, turning agility into a competitive advantage. In this video, we will cover the AI value stack, the 4 primary AI archetypes, domains for the fastest wins, a prioritization matrix, and a 90-day pilot plan to help you act immediately. This content is built for leaders who need to act, including CEOs, founders, COOs, CIOs, functional executives, and transformation teams. Whether you are a startup or a global enterprise, we provide the clarity to move forward with confidence. AI is not about chasing hype. It is about solving real business problems with measurable outcomes at a scale that your organization can actually execute. The AI value stack provides a scalable framework consisting of 3 layers: foundation, application, and outcomes. Each layer builds on the previous one, and skipping the foundation often hinders long-term scalability. Every company size has a distinct advantage. Small businesses move fast, medium firms leverage data maturity, and enterprises scale across divisions. Remember, your main constraint is not capability, but clarity of focus. Not all AI is the same. Successful business leaders match the right archetype to their specific business problems, rather than trying to deploy everything at once. The first archetype is operational AI, designed to automate high-volume, rule-based tasks. It is ideal for finance and operations, focusing on labor efficiency and error reduction. Predictive AI, our second archetype, uses historical data to forecast outcomes. It is best for sales and supply chain management, helping you proactively make decisions and reduce surprises. Generative AI creates content, code, and communications to increase output velocity. This archetype is excellent for marketing and HR, though you must monitor for accuracy and brand consistency. Finally, Decision AI synthesizes data to support complex, high-stakes choices. It is a powerful tool for the C-suite and strategy teams to sharpen human judgment and accelerate cycle times. Here is a summary of the 4 archetypes: operational for efficiency, predictive for risk management, generative for output velocity, and decision for high-stakes choices. Next, we examine where AI delivers the fastest wins. By focusing your efforts on these high ROI domains, you can achieve results regardless of whether you have a dedicated AI team. Operational efficiency is a key domain where automation delivers rapid, measurable ROI. Applications like invoice automation, scheduling, and compliance monitoring provide immediate improvements in back-office performance. Moving to our second domain, revenue growth. AI helps sales and marketing teams identify the right opportunities at the right time, allowing you to prioritize leads and optimize pricing before competitors react. Risk reduction is a crucial third domain. AI tools for fraud detection, cybersecurity, and regulatory compliance often earn the highest executive sponsorship because they offer a very clear return on investment. Finally, we focus on customer experience. By leveraging AI at scale, you can reduce friction, drive loyalty, and provide proactive service in ways that human teams alone cannot match. To summarize, these 4 fast-win domains, efficiency, revenue, risk, and customer experience, provide a solid roadmap for your organization to start capturing value immediately. Now that we have identified the best domains, how do we choose which ones to pursue? We use the feasibility by impact matrix to help leadership align on projects that offer the greatest value within our current capacity. The matrix functions by scoring each idea on 2 axes: impact, which covers potential returns, and feasibility, which accounts for data and team readiness. Always start with your quick wins to build momentum. When scoring, look at 4 key metrics: the quantifiable business impact, your data readiness, technical feasibility, specifically whether to buy or build, and your organizational readiness to see the project through. Avoid common pitfalls like chasing the newest tech over proven solutions, attempting to start too many projects at once, or ignoring the state of your data. Prioritize focus over breadth. In the next chapter, we will walk through concrete, real-world examples of how these AI use cases are applied across core business functions. In finance and operations, I can automate accounts payable, provide better cash flow forecasting, and improve demand planning, leading to significant cost savings and margin improvements. For sales and marketing, focus on lead prioritization, scaling content generation with generative AI, and predictive modeling to identify churn risk before it happens. HR and talent functions gain value from AI through automated resume screening, predictive retention modeling, and policy assistance that answer routine employee questions instantly. Finally, customer service teams can leverage intelligent routing, sentiment analysis across support channels, and personalized product recommendations to boost customer engagement. Everything we have discussed culminates in the 90-day pilot plan. This structured approach helps ensure your experiments have clear ownership and measurable outcomes. Your 90-day cycle is split into 3 phases: alignment, building the pilot, and proving the results. By maintaining this timeline, you create the accountability necessary for a successful AI initiative. The first 30 days are about alignment. Select a high-confidence use case, secure an executive sponsor to remove potential blockers, and define 2 to 3 key performance indicators to measure success. Days 31 to 60 focus on building. For most, buying a tool is better than building one from scratch. Audit your data quality, address critical gaps, and involve end users during configuration and testing to ensure adoption. Finally, days 61 to 90 are for proving. Launch in a live environment, monitor your metrics weekly, and present the results to leadership with a clear recommendation on whether to scale, adjust, or stop. Next, we will look at executive scorecards and checklists. Before you launch any initiative, running it through a formal readiness checklist helps separate projects that will succeed from those that are likely to stall. This readiness checklist covers 4 critical areas: strategic alignment, data and technology, people and process, and governance. Ensure these boxes are checked to minimize risk and improve your chances of success. Avoid common pitfalls. Do not start without clean data. Ensure you have an active executive owner. Avoid over-engineering solutions, and never ignore change management, as people are often the biggest factor in success. Choosing the right AI vendor is one of the highest leverage decisions you will make. Buying the wrong tool can be more costly than simply waiting until you find the right fit. When evaluating vendors, focus on integration fit, security and compliance, speed to value, and scalability. Always look for red flags, like deployment timelines that extend beyond 90 days for initial use cases. Regarding the buy versus build decision, for most organizations, buying is the right answer. Reserve custom builds only for use cases that are highly strategic, proprietary, or not addressable by current vendor solutions. Data readiness is the hidden foundation of all AI. Before writing any code, you must understand your data landscape, as your AI is only as effective as the information it consumes. Assess your data against 3 maturity levels: structured, integrated, and AI-ready. Most companies currently operate at the 2nd level, but reaching the 3rd is a practical goal within a year of focused investment. Remember the 5 dimensions of data quality: completeness, consistency, timeliness, accuracy, and accessibility. These factors determine whether your data is truly fit for purpose in an AI-assisted environment. Building AI momentum requires a repeatable process. We want to move beyond one-off pilots and establish an organizational capability that compounds value over time. Follow the AI maturity curve. Start with a pilot, scale it into production, integrate those insights into your core processes, and finally, optimize your strategy and execution based on what you have learned.
To move from a pilot to a program, ensure you have a documented playbook, a center of enablement, clear ownership, and solid governance guardrails to manage risk and maintain momentum as you grow.